Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how you can use free text to video AI tools to make professional looking content, no editing or experience needed. So here are the tools that you can use. So I'm using this Novi AI. So you can just pick this AI or you can also use other if you want to. And you can prepare your script first. You can use ChatGPT or write your own to generate a script. For example, in here, you can go with 3 ways to stay productive at home or best places to visit in 2025. After that, you can just let the AI do the work. Here I'm going to click on this text to video options. And here you can choose the video size first before selecting or creating the video. For example, I'm going to go with 3 by 4, and in here you can choose the visual styles. Yeah, there are some of options that you can choose, like Ghibli, anime, Pixar, a Family Guy, cinematic, clay, or maybe this one stained glass. You can also use this Minecraft style. And here you can just input your creative ideas and AI will help you generate a story. For example, I'm going to just go with as let's say a girl walking in the park with her cat. Example like this, you can choose the video durations, and for example, I'm going to just go with 30 seconds. And after that, you can just tap on this option, create a video. And after the video is created, you can just export and download your final video, and you can upload it to YouTube, Instagram Reels, TikTok, Facebook, or others platforms. And that's how you can make a free AI video in 2025. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.